I'm sharing with you today a wig from Ellen Wille from the Perucci collection, and it's Link in Snow Mix. And this is another great pixie. You're going to love it. And I can't wait to get her on to show you, but I want to show you the cap first because people are always asking about, does it have permatease in it? Because they think it's the, might be one of those, has a lot of permatease to give a lot of high volume, but for this natural looking, look at this fiber. It's not shining. It's a fantastic fiber that looks so real, and it has the snow mix in it. A little bit darker back here at the back of the nape, and then it gets lighter and lighter and lighter in front, kind of like how my own hair transitioned at one time. And that's what a lot of people are looking for, something very natural. It does have a very small lace right here. You're going to see when I get it on what that does. And it has the lace part here, stretching, open wefting, velvet nape, velvet adjusters, velvet ear tabs, all the bells and whistles that we like in a really good wig. So that's what's coming to you. But I wanted to talk about that permatease, because you're not going to see on the permatease a lot with a good wig that's going to give a very natural lift to it. It's just, if I can get it into camera and show you a little bit of that, it's when you go all the way down to the wefting, all the way down to the wefting, and it's just the tiniest bit, very short, not thick, not a lot of permatease, but it's there and it's necessary, because having that little bit of permatease at the weft is going to make it cover and disguise that wefting, because the shorter it is, the chance of the wind blowing it and lifting it, you're going to have a greater chance of seeing that wefting, and you don't want to have pebbles. You want that little bitty tiny part. It's not much, I promise you. Take my glasses off, and then let's go ahead and pop Link. This is Link with Snow Mix. Pop her on, and what a great color. I'm telling you, when you have white hair, say this is your first wig, you're going to buy a wig, you're looking for one, you have white gray hair, and any color hair that you have. At first wig, my hair's short, my hair's white. This is a great choice for first time wig wear, and your hair is white like this. You want to go with something as close to your bio hair, shorter, wear shorter, because you're going to freak out when you first put your wig on, because you're not used to seeing your face with a lot of hair. So go with something as close to it, and you know what's going to happen? You're gonna get adjust to it faster, and you're gonna fool your friends and family, because they're just gonna think you're having a gray hair day. They're gonna want to know, where'd you go to get it fixed and that cut. It's so funny, but that's, promise, how it works. Okay, look at this. Did you see that? I just flipped it on. You can finger comb it. I don't like to necessarily, when it's shorter, get a comb that close to the wefting to pull on it and pull those hairs. I think on a wig like this is just what it's designed to do, to just give it finger combing. It's short. Look at that. You can pull it down to sweep across your face. Cute, right? Look how fun, edgy, trendy. This is a trendy look. This is great. I'm going to turn sideways. Okay, and then I'm going to turn around. Isn't that so natural looking? Such a great cut. I love how that just cups the nape of your neck so nicely. And of course you can pull it all forward like that, and put it, if you want it a little bit over your ears, if that you want more of that, you can. I just like it tucked. I think it's real flattering. I like the way this comes and tucks under the cheek. That's flattering for your face to just cup right there. So this type of angular cut, great look, very trendy. I don't care if you're 40, 50s, 60s like me. This is a great look. There's a lot of women going natural, going gray, going white. This is a great one for any age, I think, because it just comes off more white than gray. You can see that. This is called Snow Mix. And there's the tiniest bit of, you can see browns in there, which is so natural, the way your hair grows out. It is for me. And then look at the hairline. It looks like it's coming right out of the scalp. So you can see just how nice that hairline is there. And it's just such a great little thing to do right there. Just give you that nice little swoop going up. Okay, so I'm showing it to you kind of sleeked down, but it's also meant to wear really tousled and fun, flirting, I like to call it, trending. So you can really get in there and just really get more separation on the fibers to just give it even a whole nother vibe. Just using your fingers. You could use a little bit Trust Tech, you could use a little bit of dry wig wax to help get it to stay in place and to get more volume. But it's just a really fun, flirting. There's so many ways you can wear it. Imagine you could still wear this with a headband to get a really cute look. You can wear it with clips. So have fun with this, guys. This is the one that I think if you really want to have that trendy, fun look, this is Link Snow Mix, Ellen Wille's Perrucci collection, and you can get it at Wigs.com. If you go in the description, I have down there a link directly to Wigs.com. Just type in the search bar, link, and you'll find her. Dear my darling, see you in the next video. Bye.